Welcome to Peri Toons Kids Channel.
Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Itsy Bitsy Spider went up the spout again. Exploring the garden, the Itsy Bitsy Spider went crawling through the grass, past the buzzing bees and shiny dew so glass. It found a pretty flower with petals soft and bright, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider smiled with delight. Climbing the tree, the Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up a tall oak tree. It waved at all the birdies, chirping happily. The wind began to blow, but the spider held on tight, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider reached the highest height. The rainbow spider saw a rainbow in the sky. It stretched out all its colors, so lovely and so high. The spider climbed a little cloud to see the view so grand, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider waved to all the land.